All right, working some examples. Okay, this one here is going to be a little long. All right, we got the square root of 27x minus 2 times the square root of 12x plus 2 times the square root of 48x. And we want to simplify this. So what I'm going to do is take a look at it first. Take a close look. All right, let's just start breaking it up here. So this 27x, we can rewrite this as 3 times 9. X. And we know if we took the square root of 9, we get 3. All right, and that's about as far down as we can break that. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. This 12 can be broken up into 3 times 4. X. And looking at this 48, we know that 6 times 8 is 48. And there's a 3. Let's see, 2 times 3 is 6. So 3 times, let's see, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. So 3 times 16. 3 times 16 is 48. And 3 times 16. So that's what we're going to write. We're going to write 3 times 16x. Now you notice in all these, we can break this up. It's going to actually reduce down to the square root of 3x in all of them. All right. So in the first one, we know the square root of 9 is 3. So we're just going to bring that out. But what we're left with that won't break down anymore is the 3x. Okay. In the next one, we know the square root of 4 inside that radical is 2. So let's just go ahead and bring that out. And we're left with 3x. Inside. Now the square root of 16. 16 can be rewritten as 4 squared. Okay, 16 can be rewritten as 4 squared, and the square root of 4 squared is going to be 4. Let me just write this up here so you can see this better. Okay, this is your 16, and the square root of 4 squared is just 4. Okay. So we take the square root of 16, it's just 4, so I'm just going to bring it out for right now. We'll multiply this stuff together here in just a little bit. And we're left with 3x. So now we have like terms here. See this? We have a square root of 3x, a square root of 3x, and a square root of 3x. But let's go ahead first, simplify it a little bit more. So we have 3 roots of 3x, or I shouldn't say 3 roots of, that's 3 times 3x, sorry, minus 2 times 2 is 4, times the square root of 3x, and lastly 8 times the square root of 3x. Okay. So now we have, so we can just add 3 minus 4 is -1, and -1 plus 8 is 7. 7 times the square root of 3x. Okay. All right, nice and slow. We skipped a couple steps, but you should have gotten it. Should have gotten it. All right, see you in the next problem.